Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NOUV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis several times in the past. I don't remember what day I did the last one on, but that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But want to get things updated, as it definitely started off the week nicely. Still plenty of work to be done, so it's not like the bulls are out of the woods or anything, but you can't complain about a nice little steady uptrend that was formed on the day. And then good solid volume, again, not nearly as nice as what it's been in the past, but everything's got to start somewhere. And when you consider the calendar context of being the last day of the year, and a lot of people weren't even paying attention to the markets today, they're watching college football and drinking, college basketball, all the different sports are on. Point here being that it did still have good solid volume, even though that it's kind of a weird day from a market perspective. But as far as work needs to be done, I realize that's kind of a soundbite, and you're more than justified to say, what does that even mean? Work needs to be done. That's cool, Clay, you said it. What does that mean? Well, that's why I love charts, because it allows you to take sound bites and actually quantify them with numbers. So work to be done, the first bit revolves around that red line right there, which is the key level of resistance that needs to be broken, and that's at 0016. So yeah, that first bit of quote-unquote work there at 0016, if the price can push up through there, then the next key level would be right around the 002 to 0021 area. But again, one step at a time, one bit of work at a time, and 0016 is that level to focus on for the time being. In terms of support levels, preferably speaking, if the price can now stay up above 0012, 0012 coming from the fact that on a couple different occasions today, the price did try to get up through there, and it did do a good job of holding. So if the price can continue that would be great, but it's not like it's a do or die level. Definitely the more important level is down here at 0008, that green line. I'm not going to go into all of that. If you want to go in the video archive, you can, learn more about why, in my opinion, at least, that level is so important. But given the price isn't even close to it right now, there's no point in beating that dead horse. But all in all, nice movement today, especially given the context of things with the calendar and what day it is with the last day of the year. So on that note, yeah, last day of the year. Happy New Year, everybody, and I guess I'll see you back next year. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.